Hi, Altef. I'm your settlement worker, and I'm called Jenny. It's great to meet you. Welcome to our city. You'll love Toronto.
I'm sure I will.
I have some general recommendations. First, Toronto's a big place. A lot of people who come here choose to live in the West.
I see. Is there a reason for that?
Well, yes. There's a great market in the neighborhood. All the local people know about it.
Oh, that would be good for us.
And I understand you have young children?
That's right.
So another advantage of this area is that it has quite a few parks where children can play.
Oh, that's great. They really like being outside.
I actually know of an apartment in the area that's available. I'll arrange for you to see it, but first let's look at the floor plan, and I'll tell you what to check when you see it. This room here is the kitchen. Be sure to open the refrigerator.
To see if it's working properly?
Yes, and to make sure that there's no nasty smell.
Oh, anything else?
Well, it would be good to check the electrical situation. There's nothing worse than not having enough plugs. You'll need at least 4.
I'll look for those. What's this on the plan?
Well, now, that's the living room. And this is where you go outside to a small balcony. Have a look at the door lock. Be sure it's not broken.
I will. It'll be nice to have our own place to sit outside when we want.
Yes, it's very nice on a summer evening after dinner. And, Altef, have a good look around the living room. The condition of the room is important because it's your main living area. Look at the paint in particular. It may be time to redo it.
I'll check that.
Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
Now, Altef, this hall leads to the bathroom. When you look at that, do check below the sink. Often that's the place you'll find a leak. And the tiles in the bathroom should be in good shape.
I agree. Then this room must be one of the bedrooms, and this must be the closet. My wife wants a large one.
I'm sure. We all want lots of room for our clothes. You'll also want to look outside the bedroom window. It overlooks the street, and there might be a lot of noise at all times of the day and night. We're in a very busy city.
I see. That would be a problem for my wife and the boys, too. I'll definitely remember to check that. Jenny, what other things are in the building?
You mean the facilities?
Yes. For example, where will we do our laundry?
With a building of this type, it's probably in the basement, but it doesn't say. So you'll need to check where it is. You know what's also really good to check for?
No, what?
You need to check that there's a garbage room on every floor. Then you don't need to go outside.
Right.
Well, that's everything for now. Good luck, Altaf. We'll talk later today.